Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new method for getting unlimited money, coins, and unlocking every car in car parking multiplayer. This works on both Android and iOS devices, and it's super easy to do. Let me open up the game and show you how it works. As you can see, I have a crazy amount of coins and money. And check out my garage. I have basically every car here. It's absolutely insane. If you want to get unlimited money, coins, and unlock all the cars on your device too, keep watching this video. I'll walk you through every step so you can enjoy these awesome stuff as well. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. First, enable background app refresh by going to General and choosing it on Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi and mobile data. Second, turn off battery saver mode because it can mess up the app. Make sure you do these two steps before moving on. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it will be Safari, and go to the website called lucidapk.com. Lucidapk.com is a website where you can find many modded apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for car parking and click on it. Here you will see some information about the app. To start the download, click on the blue download button and wait some time for the installation to finish. However, there is one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step may vary depending on your device model and operating system, and usually involves some pretty simple steps. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a video tutorial on how to complete it. Just follow the instructions and you should be fine. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.